Hi, welcome to SEAPaSS. In this video, we will show you how to set up your account upon your first time login. Sign in with your existing eBay credentials. This will be the master account in SEAPaSS. Pick a preferred business name for shipping labels. You can change the name later should you require to do so. Read through the terms and conditions and click on I agree and Take me to SEAPaSS to continue. If you have a DHL e-commerce account, you can quickly link it to SEAPaSS. If you link additional eBay accounts, the orders from these accounts will also appear in SEAPaSS. Sign in with credentials from your other account. The account is now linked and set as a secondary account. Click on Addresses to continue. SEAPaSS will use your registered eBay address by default. You can add more addresses if you have a different address you would prefer to use under your Ship from or Return to address. After adding a new address, you can also now use it to change the Ship from or Return to address. The initial setup is complete. Click on Paid Orders to start processing orders. If you have skipped some of the first-time configuration steps, you can always click on Settings to change them later. Thank you for using SEAPaSS. Be sure to check out the other how-to videos in the SEAPaSS support channel.